Good afternoon, welcome and thanks for joining the tourism news on CHTV. The news is brought to you by
CH Travel and Tour. With CH Travel and Tour, they offer services like flight ticketing, hotel booking, visa assistance, car rentals, study abroad. You can contact them on 024 306 8558, 024 306 8558, or you can contact them on their landline 030 231 8932, 030 231 8932.
I am Cassandra Kweku. Coming up, Terminal 2 renovation at Accra Airport to be completed fully by July. Investor-backed eco-lodges to open at Ghana's top tourist sites. Let's settle for the details. The Minister of Transport, Joseph Nikpe, says renovations at Accra International Airport Terminal 2 will be completed by July, improving facilities for both domestic and international travelers and boosting Ghana's bid to become a regional aviation hub. The Minister of Transport, Joseph Bukari Nikpe, says the renovation of Terminal 2 at Accra International Airport will be completed by July. The upgraded terminal will serve both domestic and international flights and include a connecting concourse to Terminal 3 for smooth passenger transfers. He says revenue from the airport development levy will fund critical upgrades, while airline operators have been involved to ensure international standards are met.
We are here today to inspect the works that the contractors are doing to remodel this Terminal 2 and make it play a dual function for the people of Ghana and the rest of the world. You have gone with me on tour with all the airlines, and we have seen the kind of remodeling we are doing to this terminal. It is our hope that when we are done by July, I'm told by the contractors they will work according to schedule and ensure that we will put Terminal 2 to play its dual role as domestic and international terminal. We are sure by that time everybody will realize that this government is serious to making sure that the aviation sector become one of the areas that our people will actually enjoy and work with. Today, I want to let the airline owners know that after July, some of them will be brought to this part of the terminal. It isn't that we are not appreciating their services. It is they who are making our airport function.
Ghana Airport Company Managing Director Yvonne Nana Ifriyo Opari says the project will improve passenger experience, fix structural issues, and boost Ghana's ambition to become a regional aviation hub. The CEO of the Ghana Tourism Authority, Mamie Fohuajato, has announced that investor-backed eco-lodges will open at Kakum, Wuli, Boti, and Shah Hills, encouraging tourists to spend more time exploring Ghana's top nature destination. The CEO of the Ghana Tourism Authority, Mamie Fohuajato, has announced plans to introduce investor-backed eco-lodges at some of Ghana's leading tourist destinations. The facilities are expected to begin operations next month at Kakum National Park, Wuli Falls, Boti Falls, and Shah Hills Resource Reserve. She noted that the initiative is aimed at encouraging visitors to spend more time at these sites instead of making brief day trips from Accra. According to her, the project, supported by private investors, forms part of efforts to enhance Ghana's tourism offerings and promote nature-based tourism. The CEO of the Ghana Tourism Development Company, Professor Kobby Mensah, has explained the distinct roles of Ghana's tourism bodies. That is, the Ghana Tourism Authority regulates operators, while the development company drives investment and develops tourism roles. The CEO of the Ghana Tourism Development Company, Professor Kobby Mensah, has clarified the difference between the roles of the Ghana Tourism Authority and the Ghana Tourism Development Company. In an interview, he explained that the Ghana Tourism Authority serves as the regulatory body, ensuring tourism operators comply with standards. The Ghana Tourism Development Company, on the other hand, focuses on developing and commercializing tourism products and attracting investment into the sector. Professor Mensah added that this mandate positions the company to drive innovation and encourage private sector participation in Ghana's tourism industry. This is all for the tourism news on CHTV. Thanks to Radiant Beauty Palace for this beautiful makeup glam. You can locate her at Dansoman. Don't forget to follow, like, comment and share on all our social media platforms. CH Tourism TV. Cassandra Kweku. Have a nice day.